No, I'll see you guys.
I know this is nothing compared to the coronavirus.
Drive carefully
Like,
and keep your jackets.
yeah,
Don't
it is
throw them away
crazy.
yet.
I think it is crazy because I never thought I would shovel snow in the mid of April again, and here it is. All the grocery stores, I don't think they still sell salt anymore. Yeah, I can't go out right now. I just have to be in the basement now. Wait until like later to clean up the car because it looked like it's still snowing. I don't want to clean it up and then again it's snowing it early in the morning. I have to warm up the car and this is actually unbelievable that it snowed on April the 16th. Like we thought snow was over a long time ago.
I
But
thought the
look,
snow was over.
surprise.
I never expected to snow in the midst of April.
I'm too glad it actually snowed at this time of the day.
April was yesterday, and today
Especially
is
if
the
you
16th of
work
April.
early in the morning like
And
me.
still snow.
It's
No, the
get
city was green just the day
really,
before.
really,
even,
really hard to
like,
clean the cars
Before in the
in the
morning when
cold.
I drive to work, it was
Because we
so
thought the days are
clean and,
over.
you know,
Actually
I
almost
mean,
threw out all my
the grass, the
No,
trees were so happy,
jackets
leaves were
and
coming up, and the
I was
trees,
ready for
I mean,
spring.
The grass was
Even the
springing up.
grass is sprung up.
But look, I guess they
But
have
look
to stay
how many
underground
inches of
for
snow.
a little while now. I love snow, but one thing I
Yeah,
hate is
trust me,
driving
it's
in the
too
snow.
much.
You know, not because I'm not driving carefully, but there are always some crazy drivers out there. You will have to be careful with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2020
Here
surprises
we
are
are. We're back again.
a lot,
Winter time. I hope 2020 is not so confused.
and I don't know when it's gonna stop
And
snowing
it's
now. You can never
confusing
make
April
prediction
for
anymore.
December.
You can say it cannot snow in the April. I know it does, but not
People
in
in
the midst of
California may
April.
say.
Like it's
Arizona,
almost summer.
It's hot. That's part of the world.
The city was green
But not
Just
happy in
like
Nebraska. We need our grass.
before.
We need to lawns or
It was getting
the mower
green. The
alone.
trees were kind of actually
That's the
springing
fun
up
part, not shoveling
leaves.
snow.
But hey, we are back to winter. Hopefully, we're going back to 2019.
What happened?
Because I see a lot of people on Facebook, they pack their bag. They want to go back to 2019 if that was possible. Because they think 2020 is full of